MS Word. Important shortcut keys. Control N, new document. Control O, open document. Control S, save document. Control P, print. Control A, select all. Control B, bold text. Control I, italic. Control U, underline. Control X, cut. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Control Z, undo. Control Y, redo. Control F, find. Control H, replace. Control K, insert hyperlink. Control L, align left. Control E, align center. Control R, align right. Control J, justify. Control 1, single line spacing. Control 2, double line spacing. Control Shift extra. Increase font size. Control Shift less. Decrease font size. Control Shift A. Capital letters. Control Home, go to start of document. Control End, end of document.